Hey guys, it's Max Maker here. Today we're playing Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I beat this game before quite a few times actually. But I'm playing it for you guys, so let's just go all the way here. Oh, damn. Okay, whatever. Let's just start here. Okay, we're gonna go in Resistance Leader, because I also did this on my first battle though, but I don't want to do it that tough. Okay, now start the game right over here. I see look at all these modes. Let's go to performance mode. Let's just do performance into ray tracing. Confirm. And now we're gonna play. Now we're gonna play for you guys, okay? I beat this game before. I'm a big Ratchet and Clank fan. It's like one of my favorite games of all time. So I'm really excited to play this for you guys.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise.
Looks like this guy's in trouble.
Report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility.
There you go.
Compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in.
Don't worry about it, just PUBG. Don't worry, I also really like PUBG.
There is the assistant, and there is the infobot.
I really like video games, like my specialty. I like video games, I like anime, I like chocolate, that's about it.
Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
I like video games and anime. They're like my favorite stuff. Oh, jeez.
Go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It looks like she's a Lombax. Those are like, I think, like the species that the main character is, Ratchet. Nice! That's like a gravity hammer from Halo.
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
That's not Ratchet. That's Rivet. See?
Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
After this cutscene, I see you go to settings quickly. After this part, we're gonna I think we're gonna walk around now.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
We will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Yeah, that Clank laugh is actually the same laugh as Scooby-Doo. That's why people call it the Scooby laugh. That's a fun fact I know. Captain Court. Skid with the monks. They have everybody from the first game and everything. Don't watch the movie though, it wasn't that good. Play the 2016 game on the PS4, it's really good. The game's really good, like the remastered game 2016, but like the movie's actually kind of bad. The Omni Wrench, yes!
Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. Ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
You also need to grab this stuff, so it'll give you some like XP, and then it could probably upgrade you.
Adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky.
We gotta try. Okay, double jump, got it.
And now, our heroes will tackle this festive hurricane.
Oh, no problem.
Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kurwa?
Yes, the burst pistol.
Some of those world-class sharp-shooting skills. Well, once you grab some ammo, of course.
Oh yeah, true. Gotta think. Wait.
Heroes is safe. Hey, I think I found the wombat.
Oh, enemies. Let's fight. Finally, some action.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Of course it's not. I think I took some damage, yeah. That's good.
Someone put a bounty on us?
Ooh! Run, Ratchet and Clank. Hey, now grind them.
About your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh, damn it, that was my bad.
Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Okay, now it's play.
Come on, let's keep this show going. Catch a ride. So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Blargs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or Dr. Nefarious.
No way! Nefarious has been retired longer
If
than
you guys don't know who Dr. Nefarious is, he's like the main bad guy inside the Ratchet and Clank franchise. Yes!
Watch out for
Yeah, this, you just gotta work together with Clank and take these guys down. Oh, damn it. That was my bad. I'm not the greatest at video games, but I'm also not the worst at video games, which results into a mid player.
Our heroes vanquished the enemy.
Ooh.
The mysteries of the great.
And now we just gotta take these guys down. Take them down.
This one.
Damn, these guns are powerful. I just use my wrench. It's very powerful. It's more powerful than the burst pistol, in my
Balloons
opinion.
incoming.
Oh my god. Wait, I have an idea. Yeah! Gotta take these guys down. Damn. Okay. Oh, there you go. I'm just wrenching these guys.
Take out that dropship and end this.
No! Oh, okay, got that dude, Okay, next, I think we're after this to get new guns. Let's hope. 'Cause- Hey, level 2, nice. Easy.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh,
Wait, I see you go get this
now,
burst pistol
we reach
stuff.
the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
The Dimensionator.
Yo, pal,
The Dimensionator, yes.
What?
Got this.
Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank!
He looks way cooler inside this game than he does that first one.
I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Oh, no. Nefarious is leaving. Now we gotta stop him. Wait, why is Ratchet's arm all weird? It's like straight like this. Huh. I see that happens on YouTube videos, that's not the point. See that Ratchet's arm's all weird? Look, Ratchet's arm's all weird and all that.
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Obviously. Come on.
Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
There you go. Now we got, I think we got fight Nefarious right now. Okay, finally, Ratchet's arm's back to normal. No, it's not. No, it's not. I think now we should grab a weapon. I think we should get them.
I should have known
We'll find
Nefarious
it.
would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Let me see a preview of these.
Hey, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing
Run with your bare freaking hands!
Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or, if you are in a hurry, pull it all the way to let them fly. Shatter bomb, more like shatter booyah.
Cool. Let's see the Enforcer. Both numbered same price.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its 2 barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can pull the fire trigger halfway to shoot 1 barrel. And if you are feeling confident, pull it all the way to shoot both. Boom!
Okay, which one should I get? The Enforcer or Shatter Bomb? Let's do the Shatter Bomb so it has more stuff.
Excellent choice.
We'll get the Enforcer later. It'll be much easier now to shatter bomb. Oh, damn it. Yeah! There you go. That is better. Now I feel much better. Oh, I should have gotten the Enforcer. Yeah, nothing else would beat Shatter Bomb except for one thing. And that is the Lightning Rod. It's undefeatable. Oh, jeez, I need to find some health. Where I will find them, I don't know. But hey, I guess it's better than watching explosives throwing like your bare freaking hands. Okay, anyway, let's just go. Now that will help me. Dr. Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Oh, they got the rift. Nice. Oh no.
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz.
You can literally see that rift like holding, like floating. That's crazy.
Did you see that?
Look at the wrench.
That was rather exciting.
What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, that's it. Got it. Now, where do I go? Let's find out. Probably here.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa, watch your head.
This is worse than I had imagined.
So hopefully you can find Miss Zircon again so I get the Enforcer. It's still OP. That's what I want.
I knew you'd come.
Might as well give up.
Was that a crack?
Weird wrench
Or at least
angle.
a very large octopus.
Ah! Okay, there. That's where I'm supposed to go. Oh, okay.
Nefarious' ship. We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride.
Yeah, okay.
When did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Damn it. Okay, thank you for your information. Die. Yeah, I'm aware. I know, I'm just gonna look around, get some XP, you know, get some parts, so next time we could see that robot, and then we got it.
Next up, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
There! Yes, I get the Enforcer.
Has many fine options for you.
Yeah! Now I got 3 guns already. Nice. Now it's attack these guys!
Dr. Nefarious surface after all these years, just to try and take over the universe again.
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Yeah, we really thought the streams were not aware of Ratchet and Clank.
Not enough of you.
Oh! I killed myself trying to get some health.
Mrs. Zircon
Okay.
is eager to see
That's-
your selection.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years, just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he
Basically.
was doing a worse job.
I useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Oh, nice, Ratchet. Help me, help me, help me, help me. At least I took away a quarter of his health. I'm grateful for that.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Yes, run from me.
Take that, Nefarious.
Take that! Take this!
Oh dear, he is targeting us. Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Yeah, where did he? Not playing.
Come to fruition. He is perfect and flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
His defenses are weakening.
Yo amo! Yo amo! Hehehe. Yo amo! Now to the finishing blow with this shatter bomb, yeah. Finishing blow with this shatter bomb.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Okay, now let's go. Let's beat him up.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh, jeez. That almost killed me.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great.
Bro, I literally have a dragon.
Beats me.
Or is it... Oh, there.
To the depths with the arms you got!
Oh, Oh, jeez. Jeez, pirates. Ah. Lost, Nefarious.
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
The Dimensionator. Looks like the Nefarious won.
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. What have I done?
Rivet.
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
This video is gonna be like an hour long, okay? Let me tell you that.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked!
It's World where he won.
It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious,
Yeah, he's an emperor.
you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Ratchet and Clank rift apart. Oh, it took me 27 minutes to do this. It took me like 30 minutes.
Clank? Clank?
Ratchet. I think he's in the same universe as Clank, but he's just not near
What
him.
is this place?
Guy, I think he's in the universe with same universe as Clank, but there's rift apart. Oh, damn it. Okay, they get separated in the fairy city. Okay, whatever.
Clank. Maybe someone around here has seen him.
I think Okay, I think we're good for now. See you find Clank. How hard could that be? There you go. I just think that where to go.
Goose behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean
Nefarious one.
Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Yeah, where's the bazaar? Okay, I think I know where I'm going. Oh, nice, I have jet boots. Awesome.
Hey, Lomax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, Sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this
Sugar. Oh my god.
espionage.
Release the hostage! resisted.
Rivet and Clank.
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else?
Die.
Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
You want to bring the party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you.
Okay, not yet.
Dr. Nefarious?
I'm broke right now,
Your
so.
time, sweetie.
Damn! I forgot. Dang it, I forgot I can't go like that. It won't let me yet.
That sounds like a club, all right.
Oh my god, how am I gonna get through? I don't know. Maybe through here. Just trick them into letting me in.
Remember, drinks are half price when you're shopping.
Come on, Phantom, where are you? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I want to see the Phantom.
Is there a Phantom around here? You wouldn't be the Phantom by any chance, would ya?
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom Skid McMarts.
Is Skid?
Oh my god, come at me, guys. Come at me, robots.
Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. Had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names. Got it. Enjoy the
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
There! The resistance freed from the clouds!
Skid, where are you? Now I'm able to do it.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait.
Oh no.
The football from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance member! Oh, I will make the Emperor proud today!
You gotta think like them, or if you wanna win against them. See, like this. Oof, that did not help at all. Come on, next There.
Now,
Nice
where'd you
work,
go?
new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't tempt. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Ha! Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. Come on. That's not good. You want to go even further? Jump, Phantom Dash.
Oh, jeez, I almost
I
died.
need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
Now let's play some more.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
Got it.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
What a lovely day to serve Emperor Nefarious.
Oh, jeez. Come on, Max. Got this. I'm playing this on the PS5. You guys don't know.
Hold on, honey. You headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. I got it.
You are getting it. Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the raritanium.
Okay. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Purchase all upgrades, connect to the gold cell now. Yeah, but I can't do it. I can't move. Okay. Oh, jeez. Jesus. Okay. Just give me a minute. There. Okay. Now. I just see the. Okay. I can't. Okay.
All sales are final, honey.
Okay, got it.
Oh, you are getting it. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons
Okay.
in tip.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up And Miss Zircon was never here.
Did you try the drinks? You can get them all for one.
Okay.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Okay. Ooh, jeez. Jesus.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance
Damn it.
diabolical dictatorship.
Yeah. First they come for our local Dimensionator.
Don't worry, guys. We're almost done. I think. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Right after this, I'm probably gonna take a break for like a few days. Yeah, guys, like 2 days. Right after that, I'm gonna take a break for like 3 days. I have to take a break for 3 days after. Like a video after this, maybe. Maybe I'll make another video after this. Who knows? Oh wait, I know. Dang it. Dang it.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance is a growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
They come for our local music scene. Now our schools! Physical power is against power.
Dang it. Damn it.
It is fighting back!
I've seen worse.
Dang it. I keep losing. Okay, we gotta try. I'm gonna try better.
resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance is growing collectively. We're sick and tired of diabolical dictatorship.
They come for our local music scene. Now our
Dang it.
cause.
It will be fruitless.
Dang it. Come at me, bro.
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
There.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Nice.
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spy bot in the factory for our resistance friends. Maybe you...
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Oh, jeez.
Line is against the law.
Juggernaut,
Where'd you
yes!
even come from?
He's gonna rip me in half now like he did to Deadpool. He's gonna rip me in half now like he did to Deadpool. Come on, come on! Dang it.
Not gonna stop me. What the? Yikes, yikes, yikes!
Yikes, yikes, yikes. Come on, Ratchet, we got this.
Oh no.
You just gotta fight it.
Survive the journey. Now die.
Oh, jeez, I accidentally attacked him. He's gonna rip me in half now. Juggernaut, yes! Yeah, said so. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I see you look at the controls. Don't worry. I'll be fine. Come on! Okay, now I'm giving it my all. He's a pretty good. That was a good warm up. Now it's round 2. Now burst pistols at level 3. Nice.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now,
Yeah, I know.
Had about enough of you.
Juggernaut, yes! Dang it. Okay. He can handle salt, can he handle pepper?
you cannot stop me.
Ah! Juggernaut! Yes! I'm gonna rip you in half now.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die. Give up while you still can, Lombax.
Oh, Jesus. Gross. I gotta run! Damn it.
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Now, here comes Ravioli.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access
There.
console.
I beat Spice Servant. Wait, damn, I said it wrong. Damn, I didn't do it correctly. Okay, he can't handle pepper, but he can handle salt.
You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet.
Glitch!
Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well. And actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now.
Very nice music going on.
Thanks.
Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
Oh no! 3 more! 2 down, 3 more to go.
What's with the capsule? Some wormers are coming out of that pod. Oh no! I
Now,
better delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
you got this, Glitch. Bam.
I did it! Oh man! I really... Well, anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
Okay, nice. The enforcer weapon. I did it. I beat everybody up. And now we're at Inferno's Tower.
Majestic Majesty.
After like a cutscene, I think we'll be done for the day.
Traps. Warbombs. 5 planet
Dark
destroyer
and Furious.
cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Ooh! Critical hit.
After him! No!
Taking the starship. Taking the starship.
I'm coming, Clank. No!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha.
Nice!
Bring me that lumber!
Yeah, right after this part, we'll be done. Sargasso. That's where our Lombax was. Rivet. There she is going.
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
It's the doctor all over it.
Under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh no.
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Hey, you made it.
Where are you taking me?
I
Well,
was gonna take
I'm
you to my
Max
hideout.
Silly
First, I
Maker.
gotta rescue my
Wait,
friends
give a
at
minute.
the gelatonium factory.
Okay, well, I'm Max Silly Maker, and goodbye.